Hello students, illustrations in some geometrical concepts is more clear with the help of daily life situations. We know that whenever a line segment or a line intersect, an angle is formed. You can see in this assembled model, a 360-degree protector is pasted on a circular cardboard, and these two needles are fixed at a pivot. Students, you may observe that the opening, or we can say the measure of this opening, is formally known as an angle, and whenever this opening is equal to 90 degree, we say angle is a right angle. When the opening is 180 degree, we say the angle is a straight angle. When this needle takes full one complete revolution and makes a 360 degree opening, then we say the angle is a complete angle. And you may also notice that whenever the needle is not taking any revolution and one needle is superposed to the other and no opening is there, then a 0-degree angle is formed. Also, whenever the opening is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, we say the angles are acute angles. Whenever the opening is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree, then the angles formed are known as an obtuse angles. When the opening is greater than 180 degree but less than complete angle, then we say the angles formed are reflex angles. So students, what we have observed, that various types of angles are there. What are they? 0-degree angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angles, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. So students, let us fix one more needle in this. So, we have joined 3 needles at this pivot O. Let us open all these 3 needles, and you may observe, what you may observe, that the measure of this opening as well as the measure of this opening is forming an angle. Let us name these angles. This may be angle 1. Let us this angle named as 1. This angle named as angle 2. What do you observe? You may observe that this needle is common to both these angles, and these non-common needles are on the either side of this common needle. Can you guess what kind of angles are they? Yes, this angle 1 and angle 2 are forming an adjacent angles. So, you may also observe that whenever these two non-common needles are exactly opposite to each other, then they form a linear pair, and the sum of these adjacent angles is 180 degree. Let us take a daily life example. Students, the first thing you see on your study table is a pen stand. This is a model of a pen stand, and you may observe that various types of angles in your pen stand. For example, you may see that this angle P is a right angle. In this, angle A and angle B is forming a linear pair. And you may also observe that this angle X is forming a acute angle. Also, angle Y and angle Z and angle T, all three are forming an acute angle. Also, angle X plus angle Y is forming a right angle. You may also observe that X plus angle Y plus angle Z is forming a obtuse angle. So, students, you may observe that this angle X and angle Y plus angle Z plus angle T is forming a linear pair. Also, angle X plus Y plus angle Z plus angle T is a straight angle. So, students, you may observe many such situations in your daily life, record them and discuss with your classmates and teachers. Thank you.